Hey everyone, in this video we're diving into how you can build AI agents using CrewAI and Clarifai. Clarifai is a full stack AI platform that enables you to access vast library of pre-trained and community models. You can also deploy your own custom models and AI workloads seamlessly across cloud, on-premise or hybrid environments. We have recently introduced the support for OpenAI compatible API, making it seamlessly integrate all the models that we have in the Clarifai platform with any agentic framework. You can now use hundreds of open source and third-party models available on the platform, or upload your own custom models to build AI agents. So in this video, let's walk through how to build a simple AI blog writing agent. First, let's take a look at what we are building. In this demo, you will see an agent that takes a blog topic as input and automatically generates a detailed blog post through agent collaboration. There are two key agents which are involved here. The AI researcher, which uses search tool to gather and analyze information from the internet, and the blog writer agent that takes the research from the previous agent and turns it into a well-structured blog post. We will use CrewAI to coordinate this multi-agent workflow seamlessly. So now let's take a look at the code. So this is a simple Streamlit application, and we have imported Streamlit. And from CrewAI, we have imported the core components: agent, task, crew, process, and LLM. We have also imported the Serper dev tool from CrewAI tools to enable web search capabilities. To get started, you will need to set two API keys. One is the Clarifai's personal access token, which is required to access the wide range of models available on the platform. If you haven't already, you can get your personal access token by signing up to Clarifai. And the next API key is the Serper API key, which you can obtain from Serp API platform. Now let's configure the Clarifai LLM. Clarifai supports the OpenAI compatible API format, which CrewAI also accommodates. As we have imported the LLM class previously, we're going to use that and initialize the LLM by providing the model URL, the Clarifai personal access token, and the base URL. You can see the model. We are using the Gemini 2.5 Pro model from the community, but you can go to the community and find other models as well that fits your use case. Like once you get the model URL from the Clarifai, which you want to use, you have to make sure that you add the prefix OpenAI, and also you can pass your Clarifai personal access token and also the base URL. So once you have initialized the LLM, let's also initialize the Serper dev tool, which the agents will use to perform web search. Now let's define tasks and agents. Think of agents are like team members with specific roles, expertise, and behavior, while tasks are specific objectives those agents are responsible for, right? And first, let's define the agents. First, we create the research agent. We initialize the agent class from CrewAI and carefully define the role, goal, and backstory of this specific agent. Importantly, if you just notice, we have added the tool that we have defined here, the Serper dev tool, which the agent will leverage to perform web search. Its primary task is to gather data, conduct deep research analysis, and produce a detailed research report on a particular topic that the user given. And also, if you notice, we also configured the LLM. Next, we define the content strategy agent. Like the first, we specify its role, the goal, and backstory. This agent is responsible for taking the structured output from the research agent and transforming it into a well-written blog post. Together, these two agents form a collaborative multi-agent system with distinct responsibilities that work in sequence to complete the task. Now let's define the specific tasks for each agent. We start with the research task assigned to the research agent. This task instructs this agent to perform a thorough analysis, identifying key trends, and also outlines the expected output format. We then assign this task directly to the research agent. And similarly, we define the writing task for the content strategy agent. This task, if you can notice here, focuses on crafting a detailed blog post based on the insights gathered by the research agent. And also we have explicitly mentioned the expected output format, and also we have assigned this to the writer agent. To streamline this setup, we have also created this create task function. This function accepts the blog topic as input and dynamically generates both the research and writing task based on the topic. and returning them in a structured format. Now let's define the run block generation function. This function takes a block topic as input and calls the create task function to generate the corresponding research and writing task. We then create an object that includes our agents along with the list of tasks. The processing is set to sequential, ensuring that the research task is completed before the writing begins. We then start the process using the kickoff method. And also, if you just notice, we are using Streamlit and we have defined the user interface via the Streamlit. And if you just notice here, a simple text input where the user can enter the block topic and a button here. When this button is clicked, the enter topic is passed to the generate block function. This triggers the crew execution where the agents collaborate in sequence to complete the task based on the roles and goals that we have defined earlier. Once the process is finished and the blog post is ready, the content is displayed directly in the UI in the markdown format. That's the code. That's how we have defined this agent using CrewAI and Clarifai. Now let's test it out, and I'm just running it locally, and let's pass a blog input here. I will ask it to generate a blog on AI agent itself, and I will ask it to generate the blog, and you can see the response here. It has successfully generated the detailed blog on AI agents, a quick intro and what exactly are AI agents, key trends, the tech behind the magic, obviously, right, given us the detailed blog. So yeah, we have seen how to build a multi-agent system using Clarifai models and CrewAI. This is just the start. The possibilities for creating more advanced agent applications are wide open. You can create a multi-model agents that work with different types of data, build complex agents for different use cases across finance, health, etc. We will cover more advanced agent designs and use cases in the coming tutorials, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching this video.